This is how to model luxury villa with a flying pool deck curve in on the top of the swimming pool of the villa. Okay, first of all, we can make the rectangle in here to make the basic line of this villa in here, and I show the dimension over there. Anyway, I speed up this video progress of 3D model of my 3D model from the around 40 minutes approximately into the 8 minutes approximately. Okay, so I make the basic slab in here with using the diagonal meshing over there in here, and I try to multiple it above with the 2 or 3 story in here, and I make the another meshing on the right side over there with the same thickness for the from the previous slab anyway. And then I make the another elements like glazing in here, and I try to divide about the glazing into the several parts, and I make the glazing again over there and on the front of this building over there, and I try to make the glass materials on the appropriate surface, and I make the curve contour of this line in here to make it more leveling over there with the natural leveling in here, and and anyway I make the another glazing to the another side of the building in here, and I make the another elements like a swimming pool with the following line, and after that I make the curve for every single corner over there, because it's not only the straight swimming pool corner, but I try to make the another kind of the shape of the swimming pool corner over there, and I make the another crossing meshing in here. We can I make length as long as possible, but it's still proportional, and I make the beam support in here with the cylinder steel over there, so it should be still structure for making this length cantilever in here. I think effectively it's we can use the steel, and I make the void over there on the straight meshing in here, and I make the another elements. I make the railing in here and a sign with the materials with the glass, and also the railing in here to make it more representative in here. And this is about the corner balcony over there, and I divide about the railing segment. I divide about the railing segment into the several segments over there, and after that I make the another glazing on the third story. On the third story I make the glazing on the third story of meshing of this villa in here, and after that I make the marble look materials in here, and after that I make the grass materials for the contour line in here, and then I make the decking, the first floor decking or the ground floor decking in here, and of course I make the another variation by following the design of the villa meshing in here, and I make the pathway. I adjust about the texture. I make the texture as proportional as possible about the position there. I make the texture of this, and I just rotate this one, and then and after that I make the another variation of the landscape, especially on the backyard in here. I don't forget to I try to remember that the backyard have to be complete to be grass materials over there in here, and I make the another one. I make the another meshing in here. I make the straight, and then I make the circle in here to make the curve in here. I try to sightseeing about the surrounded meshing. I try to connect from the right meshing to the left meshing in here, so it's the perfect connection. But okay, and after I found the perfect connection, I try to develop about the curve and flying pool deck over there. I try to develop to complete with the another elements like a railing in here, and I in this step I make the railing in here in this step, and I copy the surface and just paste in place, and I adjust about the connection of the outline of the railing in here. I push it up to make the railing in here. Okay, I just push it down in here, and I offset it inside to make the another railing in here, another glass railing, and I click the surfaces in here and paste in place, and of course push it up and adjust about the railing glass materials. And I make the support system, make the column support system. This is a tricky because I have to adjust about the column positioning to make sure that the column are not disturb the water on the swimming pool or on the swimming pool area in here. And I try to make and place the vegetation in here, like a tree and another small plants. Actually the small plants need to modify from the regular or default grass, default tree on this SketchUp anyway. And I try to make another variation of the landscape in here and over there, and I make another canopy again in here. I make the canopy again to make it look more semi-outdoor, and I make another glass door access in here. And after that I make another variation of openings on another meshing, especially on the third meshing or the third floor in here. And I try to make another kind of color, and I make another landscaping in here, especially on the round flyover pool deck in here. I try to make landscape, but I have several fails in here because it should be segmented of the freehand tool in here. I use the freehand tool to make the grazing on the top of the flying over round pool deck over there. And I make another sailing area on the canopy in here, and also the third floor canopy over there. And I try to change the view, and I try to make the shadow. I try to activate about the shadow to make it better shadow orientation over there anyway. And after that I try to assign about the materials, especially about the column support in here, and for the column support. And then I try to make another component to the flyover pool deck over there. And this is about the result. This is about the result about the villa with the flying pool deck or flyover pool deck, or this like this one. So it has several meshing, but it's not as usual. This is unique, and so you can develop it with your own version. This is just basic anyway. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.